आंसर अभी तो हम लोग वहाँ पे है नहीं।
हाँ, सॉफ्ट कॉपी अभी जमा कर पाओगे, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, ठीक है। लेकिन जब when the physical classes will be going on, you can submit, because I think probably in the month of January end, the physical classes may be start as per the rule of Jharkhand. Already the circulation will come. Okay, the letter will come to the college. Okay, so I think probably from the January end, the college will start. Okay, maybe. But if it is not happen, then you can go for, supposed to be, you are sent your guide a particular project report of a 10 to 15 pages. Okay, so whatever the format that will already been displayed in the LMS portal, you can check, that is available in the LMS portal, you will check. Okay, what are the different types of project you have been chosen, and as well as what are the different methodology which will been shown in this particular, I will show you in the LMS portal, right. There will be some samples report will be there. Okay, supposed to be, this is the this one, right. Is my screen is visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the number of copies to be submitted at the end of this particular 8 semester, you have to submit at least 3 copies. One for the department, one for the project guide. Those who have a project assigned project guide, and one copy for the library. Not library. Actually, in this particular cases, we are not submitting the report to the library. We are submitting the report to the external examiner. So the 3 copies of your project report has to be submitted to the department. Okay, hard copy. Okay, and here it is not shown, actually 4 copy you have to submit, 1 copy is for yourself. Okay, 1 copy is for yourself, right. Okay, so okay, so what the thing is that the number of copies, all those things, these are the actually guidelines of the project report submission. ये guidelines तुम लोग का है यहाँ पे LMS पोर्टल में, तुम लोग देख सकते हो कितना बुलेट में लिखना है, टेबल क्या क्या करना है, फिगर कैसे कैसे रखना है, all those things is available in this particular, like that. हम chapter heading कितना font size का होगा, what are the font size is available. Okay, introduction font size कितना होगा. Okay, outline of the project report. Okay, what are the front size will be there, it should be written, supposed to be. Okay, so these things will be available in the LMS portal, you can check, right. So I think you have to submit the report within after January, no, not after January, in the month of January you have to submit your report. Supposed to be in the 10th of January. Okay, so before that, whatever the project you have been assigned and whatever the title you have been chosen, okay, you have to communicate with your guide. Okay, personally you have to communicate, or you make one group and one person will be communicated with the guide, so that your presentation and as well as your project report will be completed within 10th of January, right. 2021. Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So the thing is that till now, what I have seen that, mm, what I have seen, that the red marking is not been till now submitted their report, submitted their name. Okay, they are instructed to submit their name and the group title, and as well as their domain area within today. Okay, because I have to submit to the principal sir also, right, because principal sir is asking ki where is my student, and where is the project. Okay, so because there is 100 marks, okay, keep remind these things. Okay, forget about ऐसे ही तुम लोगों का 5 का सब्जेक्ट तो है, ठीक है. But the thing is that project report एक तो submit करना है. I will show you my one project during my PhD, ongoing PhD. Okay, so what the presentation कैसे बनाया जाता है, I will show you, right. Okay,